So good morning everyone. Well, hello to the video, I should say YouTube. This video is gonna start, well, you can probably see it in the title already. I'm at my parts bench and I have got the new BMW exhaust part basically. So I've bought a bypass valve which I'm gonna be looking at getting installed today. So let's jump into the unboxing for it real quick. So just so everyone knows, I've had to order two, purely because when it is a V8, there's two banks of exhaust. You gotta install it on. I'm just gonna use these awesome scissors. Ta-da! Should have really opened it the other way, but I didn't know which way it's gonna come out. So inside here, yes, it is made in China. But in here is my parts. So this is the part that I'm going to look at getting welded on today. This is the Y pipe. So this is where it's going to join in with the old original exhaust as well as then having this put on to kind of basically, hold on. So Y pipe. This is like a flange that goes on. This is a clamp that holds that in place. This folds the exhaust gases down. In here is the main component. So this is the bypass. This is what opens and closes at the switch of a button, which will be in here. There's the fob. There's everything else that needs to get wired in. And these are some gaskets to be put on as well. People have actually come over to Tip Top. Let me just focus on me a bit better. So I've come over to Tip Top, which is just behind me here. I'm getting my exhaust done. Well, they're just going to be doing the welding of the pipes. So I'm not allowed to film, so I'm going to leave the car with them basically. So far gave me the best price. So yeah, let me just show you guys what it's all about. So there's the car. Let's close off the boot. Got a nice little Sierra here as well now. See something going on over there. And the car's done now. It sounds really quiet from what I was expecting. Yeah. And I am back home now with the car. Woo-wee! So the bypass pipe has been fitted on now. Just pulled the car into the garage. Now I'm going to look at installing basically the wiring and everything like that. So got to provide the live and the earth, so then the bypass basically works. So I'm just going to jump into the car. Well, not jump into the car. I'm going to jump under the car and then have a look at everything. So you can just about see the pipes installed over there.
I've done this because I was too scared, but with Isan found a solution because I'm ultimate sales manager here at Mr. GCC Auto Parts. So guys, basically he's struggling a bit. Then I was like, let's use our thinking caps. For why don't we just go for the rear lights, because the bumper underneath is fully sealed. So I diverted the plan to remove the headlights, shove a little grabby tool, and found out we can put this through here.
Wait, are you doing the right way?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So basically you get the point, right? Because like it comes out here, the little ding dong here.
Yeah. So it goes through this gap just there.
And then you got the wire coming out through.
From the bottom?
But the wire's just not coming out through right now. So
It's probably a bit compressed somewhere.
yeah.
So right now I'm gonna be taking off the extra bypass valve because we've got to add the other extra bits to it and then connect the wiring up before it gets to there. So I'm just gonna be sorting that out now. See, it's kind of a bit more interesting when like we literally are just figuring this out as we go. It's a really good thing about having a garage to work under. That is a crap load of rain. So there are the bypass valves, which I don't think Ishana's realized yet means it's technically open right now.
Yeah.
So our test run with the car right now. Alright then, chill out son. Snap! Respect, man.
You don't need a ream up to get pops and bangs, my
You
brother.
know what I'm saying?
Yo, that sounds hard.
Looking at the quality of this, by the way, it's actually quite decent. It's quite nice, actually.
Basically, we're gonna fit this one onto like here.
Yeah. Like that. Yeah. I think that looks good.
That look kind of nice, you know.
Yeah.
Ooh, if you want to be a bit of a gangster, let's fit another one here and let's drill a hole out here.
Yeah, two is better than one.
Quad exhaust.
Oh.
Like that. Bang.
Shabby though. Basically, when I fit this on, my hands get this on right. It's gonna be on the clamp, and I'm gonna face it this way so the exhaust noise gets forced out to the side. Thing feels like it's about to try and take itself out.
What are you doing?
I'm currently bolting on the extra flange little thingy-majiggy. So this bit actually has thread going through it, which is wicked. By the way, it's because safety.
There's not attached to anything.
I know. But the good thing is the car is safe. Hopefully no one else spots that in the vlog and thinks this is legit, because end of the day, don't do what I'm doing, because what I'm doing is stupid. Extension, please. There we go, that's on there. And I'm gonna get these clamp, which has a little 10mm, and this is brought over. By the way guys, don't worry about joining the gym. You want to get some of the sickest shoulders, just work on cars. That's basically everything connected up. It's very close to the drive shaft on this one, so I've had to wire up the wiring up behind the subframe and everything, cable tied it as much as I can. Got the camera light, there you go, you can see the cable ties. So it's all basically being fed over the drive shaft. You can kind of see the light if I can get it to show that. So same on the other side, I've got it going up over. This side's not as close to the drive shaft, so don't have to worry about it too much. You can see basically what they've done is they've put on the weld pipe just there, and then he's added this bit on extra. I think this pipe was a little bit different before, so it's kind of good that he's done that. This side as well, it's done the same. Welds are okay, they're decent. Doesn't need to be too fancy at the end of the day right now. It's just a bit annoying that it goes from a wider tube to a slightly thinner one and then back out to a wider one. If only it was all one width, that would have been better for me. But that's basically it right now. Cables are up through here. Now we're just going to take it up into the cabin. The guy that fitted it is basically welded it, and it's slightly, it's just too close in one thing or another, and it's just freaking annoying. Oh, you dickhead. What was that for?
For the views.
Oh. I'm tired.
So guys, I'm testing. Okay, that didn't work.
I'm just a tad bit busy over here. Do you know what's going on over there? Oh.
So basically, he's doing some fiddly stuff.
I am indeed.
And then I am just
Fiddling out with other stuff?
taking his glasses and taking care of him because
Oh, yeah.
glasses manager, you know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
No, I'm fine. You're just not gonna get anything.
I thought you were fitting it on, you just
I realised I'm gonna try to do it the other way again, but there's a little bit of play in here.
in where? Stop playing around
In
and get
here.
it done.
It's the only thing I can do, play around. Right, so just over there, people, is where it was fouling earlier. Now I'm just testing. My finger can get past there nicely. I've basically pushed this as much as I can, twisted as much as I can, so that it doesn't foul there. The other option is I can obviously just move this another direction and fit it on that way. But I ideally want it going this way. I think it's still gonna rub. Just worried, and I'd rather do it properly once and not have to do it again. So everyone, we managed to figure out why this wasn't opening and closing.
I figured out.
Ishan basically thinks it's all him. If you hear the rain outside, by the way, it is crazily tipping it down again. But basically from tapping into the the live wire after the fuse, it wasn't getting enough amps going to this. So I'm gonna wire this up before it goes to the actual fuse here. So I'm gonna probably tap into this live point here or something like that. But basically when we connected it up here, the valve opened. So now I'm gonna go back underneath, fit this. Mine's needed some band-aid, first aid kit. Basically it was touching the drive shaft, so I need to angle it a different way and hope that it works. So we're just testing it right now. We've actually done a lot of testing already. So Sean's just gonna open this one up. Oh yes, and then do the other one. Oh yes. Basically it's really important to do that, open and close it while you're fiddling around before you fully tighten these, because otherwise it can get stuck and it won't fully open or fully close.
Really?
Yeah, really? You know, we had a lot of problems with that.
Fit it all on in one go and then
Hope for
test
the
it
best.
after, yeah.
Yeah, you know, that's why you come back for the second day.
Top salesman.
Well, no, we'll do that later. I'll find the proper thing. But okay, right. So we're gonna test run. Everything's closed up right now. Is that closed? Open it. Whoa. That's a big... Hello?
Do a big wonga nail sock pocket.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why you need to be careful when working on cars. Good fun. So you guys might be able to tell that this video kind of looks a little bit old because a lot of the things going on in the video are from a while ago. Basically, I thought I was going to do this video in one big set go. You can see me editing it still behind me. I thought it was all going to be done in one big set go, and I'll be able to show you guys in one video the install, the wiring, the button and everything like that. But it just didn't turn out that way. I think one of the valves at the moment isn't closing fully, so when I do click close, it still isn't closing fully, so I'm going to be working on that over the next couple of days. I want to be looking at installing the button as well, which hopefully, let me find the new button. This button will be used for it, which can be sick. That's going to be part of the M6 gear selector part, so that would be kind of cool to click that and click it that way, giving it a bit more of an OEM finish as well. And along with that, oh, there's a big mess behind me as well, so ignore all that. I haven't done a proper sound clip of it all, so once it's all fully done, I'll then get a sound clip and upload that in my next part of this video. But for now, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hit like if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and leave me a comment if you want to say anything. For now, catch you later. Peace out.